Today, David and I will demonstrate pruning techniques for evergreen shrubs. But first, we're going to look at different types of evergreens found in the landscape, as these have different pruning requirements. There's two general categories of evergreens. These include the broadleafed and the coniferous or needled evergreens. The term broadleaf is somewhat misleading because it includes plants that have relatively large leaves like this gold dust aucuba, as well as those with smaller leaves like the boxwood. But the term broadleaf includes all evergreens that have relatively or comparably large leaves when we compare it to the needle-like or scale-like leaves of conifers. Broadleaf evergreens include plants such as the aucuba and nandina and the mahonia, as well as azalea, camellia, boxwood, laurel, howley, and photinia. In contrast, narrowleaf evergreens include coniferous plants. These are plants that we more readily associate with the word evergreen. Narrowleaf evergreens are further divided into two groups: those that have needle-like leaves, such as this pine, and those that have scale-like leaves, such as this juniper. The two groups of evergreens are pruned differently, so it's important to know which type you have. The pine tree is a great example of a needle-leaved evergreen, and the branches on these radiate in whorls around this trunk, sort of like the spokes of a hub. You can see this very clearly when you look at the new growth at the tip of the plant. Needle-leaved evergreens include pines, spruces, firs, and the true cedars, plants in the genus Cedrus. Arborvitae and junipers, such as this one, are good examples of the scale-leaved class of coniferous evergreens. These plants bear their branches more irregularly, somewhat like deciduous shrubs. Other examples include cypress, false cypress, china fir, and incense cedar. The scale-leaved evergreens can be pruned before the new growth emerges in the spring, and then again in early summer to control size and shape. David Hillock's going to join us to demonstrate proper pruning techniques.